TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hey folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I want to go through what we covered in the video this morning at 3 o'clock Tucson time. We had a storm here, so it was keeping me awake, and so I was looking at some charts, and I pointed out the fact that we were coming up to a 382 here in the crude oil today, and as you can see, it had a pretty big break, well over $2,500. But the key is when we come back from the regular break, I'm going to go through the crude oil to show you, because if you remember, we were talking about this thing bottoming right about here at 64.85 to 64.70. We're going to take a look at that. And we're also going to be looking at one other one. We also had, for those of you that like to trade cattle, you can see today's high in cattle, or there's today's low, exactly 382, and it rallies $1,000. I mean, that's hard to believe, but this next one is the most hard to believe of all. We spent a lot of time on this, folks, because at this spot right here, we had a monster ABCD coming in at 34.12. Okay, now there was the big rally up. Okay, there was a short sale that we had. It dropped, well into our zone. It would have been a break even. Stopped exactly at the 382, then went up and made a huge ABCD, and then came down and hit another 382. Folks, this should go into the Guinness Book of Records, in my opinion, because when you have strong trending markets, this thing is really good. Does it work all the time? Nope. But guess what, folks? Nothing else does either. That's the main thing. So we've got the markets, are bifurcated markets again. As you know, we're in the Russell. Had a little bit of a rally last night and went right up to the area where we sold it before. And there's where our sale was, right in here. Went a little bit higher right here, and then it's backed off a little bit. Now, I haven't even looked to see if the 382 of this move here even happened today. Let's just double check it from this low up to this high. Boy, it came pretty close. Wow. Now, there it is right here. So it missed it quite a bit. Hasn't really done very much today. You see, with the S&P going nuts, the Russell has done absolutely nothing. And nor has the Dow Jones. If we take a look at the Dow Jones is doing exactly the same thing. We come back, we're going to discuss some things and some stocks. So stay tuned, folks. Oh, God.